Welcome to Speeduplight.
Welcome to Speeduplight. For the dashboard, Speed dashboard, when you click on install the apps, this one, you will get the dashboard AI, and this is the dynamic dashboard. You will get whatever you want to dashboard for the account, for the sales, for the purchase, for the customers, whatever you can make the dynamic for that. So this is the configuration. From here you can just add the configuration and test the configuration. You will get items for the dashboard, let's say this one. So you will get this type of the dashboard. Let me go back to here. So here will be display all the items related to the dashboard. So this is the one of the dashboard. You can use the different items for the different dashboard, and there is the some colors. You can make the changes, and you will get this type of the data, like the comparisons, alerts, whatever you want, you can do it. So for example, this one. So active operators, this type of the dashboard, client ecosystem. Yeah. So when you click on this, you will see this type of the sort by. This will be the colors. This will be the grid for that, and this is the chart of the themes. Okay. So you will change. You will do like this. Here is the default. It's you can do filter. You can do a change like the dark mode and the light mode. You can unlock the screen. You can move the cards, same like the Kanban view. So you can drag and drop. Once you finalize the dashboard items, you can just lock the items. If you want to 2-day records, you can do it filter out. You can do it 7 days for the week, for the 30 days, this week, month, and the year one. So you can choose whatever the filters. If you will not choose, then all the records, it will be appear over here. So this way you will get this data, and for example the multi-growth items. So when you go to here, you will see this is for the data. You will see like if I will enable the comparisons for that target, and these are the items will be appear. Whatever the comparisons, you can choose alerts if you want. So you can choose the alerts for that. So once you save these items, you will get the data over here. You will add over the insight for the AI instance in items. So you can see the one item is added automatically. So when you go to here, this is the AI revenue. So you can see the created is based on the context. You can choose the different items for the account move or account invoices or the payments, whatever. You can choose the models. You can choose the whatever the titles for that, for the item type, and whatever the counts you can display like the sum, averages, minimum. So this is the configuration of the items for the dashboard. So this is the AI dashboard, and it's a dynamic. Uh, Whatever the models you want to choose, you will get the dynamic data based on the graph, based on the chart, based on the comparisons, based on the different tabs of the items. So you will get the data as a dynamically, whatever the models you will get based on the configuration. If you have any concerns, if you have any questions, you can contact us, contact@speeduplight.com, or you can go to the website www.speeduplight.com. You can contact us here. Thank you.